Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to turn off automatic hyphenation in Squarespace. If you've noticed unwanted word breaks in your text, this quick fix will help you regain control over your site's typography and create a cleaner, more professional look. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Squarespace dashboard where all your websites are listed. Now that you're on the dashboard, you'll see all the websites connected to your account. Simply click on the website where you want to turn off automatic hyphenation. This will open up that specific site's editor and give you access to all the customization tools you need. Once inside, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Click on Website to expand the options available. Under that, you'll see several choices, but for our purposes, go ahead and click on Pages. This is where you manage the structure and content of your site. Still on the left side, scroll down a bit until you find Custom Code. Click on it to access the area where you can add custom CSS and other code snippets. This section is powerful because it lets you override Squarespace's default styling with your own rules. From the options that appear, click on Custom CSS. This is where we'll add the code that disables hyphenation across your site. Now, I'm going to paste the code into the Custom CSS box. Feel free to pause the video here so you can copy the code exactly as shown. The code targets text elements and turns off the automatic hyphenation feature that Squarespace applies by default. If you want to customize this further, you can adjust the code by adding more element IDs or classes, depending on which specific sections of your site you want to affect. This gives you flexibility to apply the change site-wide or just to certain areas. Once you've pasted the code and made any adjustments you need, look for the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom of the custom CSS panel. Click Save to apply your changes. Give it a moment to process, and your site will update with the new styling rule. And that's it. You've successfully turned off automatic hyphenation in Squarespace, giving your text a smoother, more polished appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.